All right, everybody. So today is our big day where we're going to have our Try It Tuesday of that special Musqué de Provence squash. And I just wanted to go over a couple of expectations because Miss Deegan does have some rules about taste tests. Just because they happen at lunch doesn't mean that they're not part of the school day where we're following our Hawks rule. So how do we do this, follow our Hawks rule, while we're at lunch during a taste test? Well, the two first rules, having respect and acting responsible, are extremely important. And my biggest expectation for everyone, all the time, but especially when we're trying a brand new food, is don't yuck my yum. And so what does that mean? It means if somebody else is trying a new food, you do not say, ew, yuck, gross. Instead, we work together. We say, you can try it. If you don't like it, it's not going to hurt you. You just say, no, thank you. So if you don't like the squash or if you really don't want to try it, that's totally okay. So the correct response would be to say, no, thank you, or it's not for me today, or I tried it, but it wasn't really for me. I'll try again next time. So be very respectful to the people who cook your food, who picked your food, who grew your food, and be respectful to your classmates because somebody might really love it. But if you say, ew, yuck, that's going to make them feel bad. So please don't yuck my yum. I am very serious about this. Don't yuck my yum. And we keep safe by staying at our seats. And the only thing we're doing with our food is either eating it or disposing of it into the trash when we're done. And doing all these things, we're going to soar to success. So it's really important. Please be respectful. Please be encouraging of one another. If somebody's nervous about trying it, give them a little word of encouragement. You can do it. It's just a bite. And so all this to say, I hope you're brave and you try a bite because if you didn't know, now you do. It takes 12 times on average for anybody to know if they really, really like a food or not. So think about that. Count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how many times you have to try a new food that you didn't like before to know if you really, really like it or not, because food is always prepared a little bit differently. It always tastes a little bit differently. Your taste buds on your tongue, they're always changing. And so I think that's pretty cool. And I'm still trying new foods, even as an adult, and I'm still finding that my taste buds are changing. And so I put a picture in a book I really like called The 2 Bite Club about a brother and sister who they try 2 bites of foods that they're afraid of together to see if they really, really can change some of their tastes that they just, the story goes into how Anna only likes green apples, but can she like red ones? Well, she can if she tries them. So I'm just giving you a little bit of encouragement. You can try it. If you don't like it, that's okay. That is so okay. But I'm just interested in seeing if you guys will try it. So I hope that you do take a sample today. And if you don't want to, that's okay too. Just please remember the Hawks rule. All right, I'll see you at lunch.